Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start in the Health app, open it and tap your profile picture. Tap Medical ID, then Edit to begin. This is where first responders see critical details from the lock screen. Enter your full name, birth date, key medical conditions, and primary emergency contact with a phone number. Once done, add allergies and medications too. Make sure entries are clear and concise so someone can read them quickly in an emergency. Now you add the detailed, actionable data. Type each medication name, dose in mg or units, and frequency. This helps responders avoid dangerous interactions. Add allergies, blood type, organ donor status, and any special medical notes like implanted devices or mobility needs. Don't forget to set emergency contacts with phone numbers and relationship. Make sure Show When Locked is enabled so this medical ID is accessible without unlocking the phone. Finish by tapping Done and carefully review every field for accuracy. Typos can cause confusion. Test the result from the lock screen. Swipe up or press the side button, tap Emergency, then Medical ID to confirm visibility. If the medical ID does not appear, make sure Show When Locked is turned on in the Health app, check Face ID or touch settings, install any pending iOS updates, and restart your iPhone. If problem
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.